On this page we're going to create an option for the user to create an AI image, and this we need a text input for the prompt for the AI generation image. We need a button to actually start the process, and then we need somewhere for that image to go. So we go to the blocks to program this. Similar to the last AI helper section, we need to make sure that the OpenAI is active. So we go to the AI service 1 and we select the AI API key here. Now if you need it, you can go back to this, grab it from here. And we need that to run when this page opens. And this is just in case this is the first page they open. So when AI image opens, we grab this and place it there. Now we need to get the input when the button has been pressed. So we click, when button 4 has been clicked, we want the AI service to do a image generation. So we grab the image generation option from OpenAI service 1. And we want to pass it whatever the text input has been input. So we grab the text input text, and that's going to generate a response, and that response needs to go into the image. So that is the image, set image picture to the response. Let's test that out. Fluffy kittens. Click on the button, which we need to rename. Now, when it's generating an image, it's going to take that much longer because it's a more involved process. But here it comes, and there we are, some fluffy kittens. Okay, so there's a couple of things here. We need to rename that button, and that took a while, and we want to let the user know because we want it to be user-friendly. We want to let the user know that that is actually dealing with that. So what we're going to do is we're going to add, actually let's just fix that button first, and that is generate image to let the user know what's going on. And if we scroll down the components, there's this option of loading icon. So we grab this loading icon, and now we can see that there's this loading icon. Now, we don't want it running all the time, so we're going to program this to say when it's showing and when it's not showing. Okay, so we can see here the loading icon 1. And if we scroll down here, it says set loading icon visible true. I'm going to grab that option there, and at the very start of the page, we're actually going to set that to false, so we can't see it. And then once the button's been clicked, we want it to be shown again. So we go down here, set loading icon visible to true as soon as that button's clicked, but as soon as this has been processed, we want it to be false again. So we click here, set loading icon visible to true, change that back to false so it's no longer visible again. Let's try that again. Okay, so fluffy kittens, and as soon as we hit this, we can see the loading icon is spinning. Now when you do this, hopefully you'll make some changes to the colors and make sure that it's a lot more clearer, so it contrasts more and is more accessible for users. And there we are, fluffy kittens.